Welcome to Amya channel. Today I am going to make the first video for area bounded regions. As I have already discussed in the previous sections how to bound a region. Now we are going to solve questions related to it. Very simple to very complex questions in different videos I am going to make and send. The first question here is, so find the area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4ax and its latest rectum. Now this is the first question we are going to handle. So now the content here given is what is the standard equation of the parabola. The standard equation of the parabola can be written in four types. Y square will be equal to 4ax, y square will be equal to minus 4ax, x square will be equal to 4ay, and x square will be equal to minus 4ay. So out of this 4, this is the first one and this is exactly given. So now we know that. So first we are going to check this one out, and with the help of this we are going to draw a rough sketch. Fine. So now drawing the rough sketch. So rough sketch of the parabola. For y square equal to 4ax, the parabola vertex will touch the origin. Okay. Now another important point here is this will be the focus. So focus point will be coming as a comma 0. Now another important point here is it is bounded. So exactly in the question it is given that find the area bounded by the parabola and its latest rectum. We know that latest rectum is a double ordinate, means a chord which is passing through the focus. So if a double ordinate means many chords we can draw, but a special double ordinate which is exactly passing through the focus will be called as latest rectum. So now we are going to draw the latest rectum. So after drawing the latest rectum, what we are seeing here is the parabola is symmetrical about x-axis, means the first half will be equal to the second half. So now that means if I have to find the area of this region, if we will find the area of this region and multiply it with 2, then we will get the area of this complete region. Okay, so now first we are going to keep name of it. So this S already written, so OASB. Now we have to get the area of this region. For getting the area of this region, y dash, x and x dash is there, so now we have to exactly slice the region into rectangular strips or vertical strips, you can say, rectangular vertical strips. Fine. Now if somebody will be telling you to find the area of square, rectangle, circle, then you will be saying that there is a specific formula for finding the areas of those things, because the square means side is square, rectangle means length into breadth. But here when any curved region will be given to you and they will be telling you to find the area of this, then 100% you will convert this curve into rectangular strips or this vertical strips. Okay, vertical rectangular strips means, now here if I will find the area of all this and summarize, then I will be getting the area of all this region. The shortcut for that, we will draw only one strip, vertical strip, and then we will exactly integrate that region from the lower to the upper part, then we will get the area of this entire region. So this work only we are going to do. So now to get the area of this region, we are going to exactly slice it. So we slice the region into vertical strips. So we slice the region OSBO into vertical strips, but only one strip shall be represented. So approximating the rectangle, now we can approximate the rectangle as 1. So now we are going to approximate the rectangle as 1. So approximating this rectangle as 1, because we have to find the area of this complete region. So approximating the rectangle as shown in the figure, we can do one thing. This part we will be taking it as y and this part we will written as x. So we are going to write approximating the rectangle as shown in the figure. So length will become what? So length part we can take it as y. So length will become y and width will become dx. small one we have taken, width will become dx. Now the approximating rectangle can move from 0 to a. The approximating rectangle, I told you in the region means lower and upper, so this approximating rectangle can move from 0 to a. So that area, first we are going to write area of the region OSBA. So one time itself, why can't we do that? Since the parabola is symmetric to x-axis, so this half will be equal to this half, so they both are equal. So one time, why can't we write that ki area of the region BOAB, okay, area of the region BOAB will be equal to twice of area of BOSB. Okay, so one time this work will become over. So now area of BOSB means we can write here as 2 into area of BOSB means, now area of BOSB will be exactly modulus of y into dx. Now another important point to be noted here that the approximating rectangle can move between 0 to a, so this will get converted like 0 to a. Now y formula is coming as 4ax y square, exactly our equation given here is y square equal to 4ax, so y will be equal to root under 4ax. We'll take it as equation 1. So now with this we can write 0 to a, this part is going to come as root under 4ax dx. So this will become, this 2 will go out, it will become 4 root under a. Now root under x integration will become 2 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2. Now upper limit is a, lower limit is 0. So it is going to come as 8 root, root a by 3. And here x to the power, a to the power 3 by 2, a to the power 3 by 2. So only last part solving is needed here. So now what we have to do here, just solve this part. A here is 1 by root 2. So it is going to become a 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So it is coming as 8, 4 by 2 by 3. So it is coming as 8a square by 3 square units. Okay, so first part, this question is over. Now one more question like this, very easy question we are going to see now, and in that question also parabola question is there, but here the question given to you is y equal to 2x minus x square is given to you. So the equation is given as, equation of parabola is y is equal to this much. So now you already don't know now x square equal to 4ay or x square will be equal to minus 4ay. This 2 will be there. So here that means if I am going to take this equation and write it, so it can be written as, if minus I will take common, then it is going to be x square minus 2x equal to y. So x square minus 2x equal to minus y. So 100% when this part will be there, x square minus 4ay as a standard equation, then the parabola mouth will be upside down. Okay, so that means this one also same thing will be there, but where it is exactly going to touch the x-axis, that we have to find. That is a very important part. So now how to get that point where the parabola is intersecting or touching the x-axis. So that point finding is very important. So I'm going to take this one as it is. So now I'm going to write here y equal to 2x minus x square. Take it as equation 1. Now drawing a rough sketch of the parabola. So first thing is that let 2x minus x square will be equal to 0. If you will take x common, it is coming as 2 minus x equal to 0. So one time x equal to 0 and one time x is coming as 2. So that means 100% at 2 points the parabola is exactly going to touch the x-axis. One time it is going to at the origin, and one time when x will be exactly equal to 2 and when x will be exactly equal to 0. So 0 comma 0. So we are going to name it as origin point. So 0 point we are going to say it as. So now next point is, now we are going to name it as 0 and here A and here B. So now we have to find the area of this region. So since we have to get the area of this region, we are going to convert this into vertical strip. Fine. Again, this part we are going to write it as y, and this part length will be taken as y and breadth will become taken as x. So now same statement we are going to write, because everything we have done. Now we got the region, now we are ready to draw. So first we will write that that slicing part what we have written in the previous one, same thing as a statement we are going to write. We slice the area, we slice the area OABU into vertical strips approximating the rectangle as shown in the figure. Length will become modulus of y and width will become dx. So area of the region will become modulus of y dx. Now since the approximating rectangle can move between 0 to 2, you have to write this statement. Since the approximating rectangle can move between 0 to 2, therefore area will become 0 to 2 modulus of y. So modulus of y value already you know, modulus of y dx. So it is exactly going to come as 0 to 2. Here it will become 2x minus x square. Now solve this one, you will get the answer. So now here it will become 2x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. So upper interval is coming as 0 to, so it is going to come as 2 2s are 4. So this and this will get cancelled. So 4 minus 8 by 3 and then minus 0, because that reason will be 0 in place of x if you are going to write. So 12 minus 8 by 3, that is 4 by 3 square unit. Nothing you have done. With the help, if you have information about how to draw it, then you will be able to do this question in no time. So now in the next video what I am going to do is, I am going to give more questions. I am going to bring more questions in the most simplest way. We are going to solve the questions. If you like the video, subscribe the video and like the video, subscribe it, share it, and do one thing, my children, those who are already with me, please kindly see the video, and whatever doubts will be there, beta, you can ask me anytime. Okay, bye everyone.